right, everybody, it's May 7th, A705. So we have pulled all of the old insulation off of the walls, and I'm gonna tell you right now, that is one heck of a color difference. You can see the areas where insulation came off where there was equipment. They have blown the ceiling down. We'll get the last of this cleaned up, and then we'll do a broom clean on the warehouse and get it where the trash is up. Our satellite office has been demolitioned. At this point, we have all of the overhead door stuff ordered. We have all of our flooring ordered, and we're going to start working towards getting everything ready for warehouse paint. Now, part of our scope was redoing all of our warehouse offices. ¿Qué pasó, güey? We've got all of the ceilings demoed. We've got, I mean, it's just, we had 2 weeks of just wide open, tear it off. It's pretty quiet in here today. They've started all of our drywall patching, and we're inside the main office. Ceilings have been taken care of. Now we are going to have some adjustments on ceilings. Flooring is up, patching is going on. We'll have the guys come back through by the middle of next week and start getting all of this floor area cleaned up, taken care of, getting it ready for paint, ready for floor. That's what we look like. Not a bad 2 weeks. Insulation up top has really maintained itself. Can't complain. A couple of caulk joints need to be taken care of on the exterior. I can see some daylight. But other than that, not too bad. Not too bad at all. That's what we look like. Y'all have a great week. We'll see you on the next one.